It is my first workshop, and the amazing part about it was because I had a remedial understanding about Dealer Center, I didn't realize how integrated it was and what a one-stop shop it really is. So I got a lot out of the workshop. I actually filmed it because I want to show it to my partners. It was astounding.
Before going into an independent dealership, I was with a franchise dealership for almost 20 years. So when we started looking for a DMS, I looked at several different companies, but I just kept coming back to Dealer Center. And Dealer Center seemed to have everything that we were looking for a DMS.